Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to transfer funds from your Binance wallet to the Binance Exchange. Alright, so let's begin with the video. By default, you'll usually land on the Exchange tab. From here, you need to tap on the Wallet option to access your Binance Web3 wallet. Once you're inside the wallet, you'll be able to see the total amount available in your account displayed at the top of the screen. From this section, you can explore different cryptocurrencies, manage your assets, and even access earning options. To find the Exchange Transfer option, tap on Assets located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Inside the Tokens section, you'll see a list of all the cryptocurrencies you currently hold in your Binance wallet. If you want to transfer your funds, simply tap on the token you want to send. You'll see options such as Swap. The swap option allows you to convert your USDT into another cryptocurrency if needed, which you can then transfer to your Binance Exchange account. If you want to transfer USDT directly, tap on the token, then select the Send option. After that, choose Transfer to Binance Exchange. Your Binance Exchange address will be filled in automatically, so all you need to do is enter the amount you want to transfer and tap Continue. On the next screen, carefully review the transaction details and confirm the transfer. Once confirmed, your cryptocurrency will be sent from your Binance Web3 wallet to your Binance Exchange account. And that's it. So that's basically how you can transfer funds from your Binance wallet to the Binance Exchange. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.